Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. We're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling stamps and ink pads products available on Amazon. These top-rated items are a must-have for all your crafting and office needs, and I'm here to guide you through the very best options. So, without further ado, let's get started and see what amazing products are waiting to be discovered. Number 5 on our list is the XOR Art Finger Ink Pads for Kids, a top-selling marvel on Amazon that's perfect for your little artists and crafters. Imagine a world where your child's creativity knows no bounds. With 16 vibrant, eye-catching colors, these ink pads are not only visually stunning but also non-toxic and easy to clean. Yes, you heard right. 16 shades of gorgeous colors that instantly capture the imagination and attention of your kids, turning every crafting session into an adventure. Now, let's talk versatility. These ink pads are more than just tools. They are gateways to endless possibilities. Perfect for fabric, wood, paper, scrapbooking, card making, posters, notepads, and journals. From making personalized cards to designing intricate scrapbooks, the sky's the limit with these ink pads. They are ideal for a myriad of projects, each more exciting than the last. Worried about the mess? Fear not. These ink pads are water-soluble, meaning a little soap and water will do the trick. Cleaning up is a breeze, so no need to fret about those accidental smudges on clothes or furniture. Your kids can enjoy the freedom to create, and you can enjoy the peace of mind that cleanup will be quick and easy. And here's a bonus: convenient storage. Each ink pad comes with its own sturdy plastic case, making organization a snap. These cases stack neatly, ensuring that your play or artwork area stays tidy and clutter-free. No more lost lids or dried-out pads. Everything has its place, ready for the next masterpiece. Finally, Zorart stands behind their product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you encounter any issues, their responsive customer service will ensure you either get a perfect solution or a full refund. That's a promise you can trust. Unleash your child's creativity with these Zorart Finger Ink Pads for Kids. It's not just an ink pad set, it's the ultimate gift for endless crafting fun. Number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling stamps and ink pads on Amazon is the remarkable 7-inch large round craft ink pads. Prepare to be amazed by this vibrant and versatile crafting essential. Imagine a splash of color, 8 vivid hues including red, yellow, green, blue, purple, orange, sky blue, and pink. These colors aren't just for show, they ignite the imagination, encouraging children to create their own masterpieces with endless possibilities. Each ink pad is like a portal to a rainbow, inviting young artists to explore and express their creativity. Safety is paramount, and these ink pads deliver. Made from environmentally friendly pigments, they're safe and harmless, perfect for kids to use independently. The ink washes off easily with just soap and water, leaving no residue. No more worries about stubborn stains, just pure, unadulterated fun. The innovation doesn't stop there. Each ink pad features an upgraded plastic film cover, preventing leaks and keeping the pads pristine. For optimal longevity, cover the pad with plastic wrap after use, close the lid, and store it in a cool, airtight place. If the ink begins to dry, a quick spray of alcohol will revitalize it in minutes. Practicality and convenience in one. These ink pads are not just for crafting, they're a gateway to endless creativity. Perfect for kids' projects, paintings, and other artistic endeavors, they make fantastic gifts that inspire imagination and creativity. Their larger size and versatility make them ideal for creating memorable handprints and footprints, a keepsake that's as fun as it is precious. What makes these ink pads truly special? They're the perfect present for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday party, Children's Day, Halloween, or just a reward for good behavior, these ink pads bring joy and creativity to people of all ages. The 7-inch large round craft ink pads, where vibrant colors, safety, and endless creative possibilities come together. It's not just an ink pad, it's an invitation to a world of imagination and fun. Now, stepping into the spotlight at number 3 on our top-selling stamps and ink pads list on Amazon, we have the Craft Ink Pad Stamps Partner DIY Color. Let's dive into what makes this pack of 15 an absolute favorite among crafters and creatives alike. First, picture this. 15 vibrant colors, each more dazzling than the last. Red, black, dark blue, purple, dark green, light blue, gold, silver, yellow, pink, and orange. These colors aren't just pretty, they are strikingly vivid, designed to stay beautiful and waterproof once dry. Imagine the possibilities as these hues breathe life into your creations, whether on fabric, wood, paper, or any medium you choose. The versatility of these ink pads is nothing short of extraordinary. Think about it. You can use them for scrapbooking, card making, posters, notepads, and journals. Craft unique cards, pen heartfelt letters, or keep a vibrant diary. The possibilities are boundless. Let your imagination run wild and explore endless creative avenues with these inks. Consider the practical aspects as well. Each ink pad measures a convenient 2.36 by 1.5 inches, while the compact product size of 2.95 by 1.97 by 0.97 inches ensures they are perfectly portable. Whether you're crafting at home or on the go, these ink pads are ready to accompany you, offering a rainbow of colors at your fingertips. Let's talk about quality. The ink doesn't just look good, it performs beautifully. Once dry on paper, the ink is waterproof, ensuring your artwork remains pristine. No smudging, no fading, just long-lasting, vibrant color that stands the test of time. In the world of crafting, these ink pads are more than just tools. They are gateways to creativity. Imagine gifting these to someone special. The joy of exploring 15 different colors, creating memorable projects, and the excitement of seeing their imagination come to life. The Craft Ink Pad Stamps Partner. DIY Color Pack is not just an ink pad set. It's an invitation to explore, create, and dream. Transform ordinary projects into extraordinary masterpieces with these incredible ink pads. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling stamps and ink pads on Amazon? Well, don't stamp out the fun. Ink up that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a Stamptastic update. Taking the prestigious second spot on our list of best-selling stamps and ink pads on Amazon is the incredible 20 Forever Stamps SC hash 5845 5848. Let's delve into why these stamps are an absolute must-have for all your special moments. Imagine this, a beautifully designed book containing 20 stunning Forever stamps, each one a miniature work of art. These stamps are more than just postage, they are symbols of celebration, ideal for marking life's most memorable events. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, anniversary, or any other special occasion, these stamps add a touch of elegance and sentiment to your correspondence. Now let's talk practicality. Each of these Forever stamps is valued at 68 cents for a 1-ounce letter in 2024, ensuring your heartfelt messages and invitations are delivered with grace and reliability. The beauty of Forever stamps lies in their timeless value. No matter how postage rates change, these stamps will always cover the cost of a 1-ounce letter. Consider the versatility these stamps bring. From sending out wedding invitations that shimmer with anticipation to mailing birthday cards that burst with joy, these stamps are perfect for any occasion. They encapsulate the essence of your message, adding a personal and thoughtful touch. Envision the convenience and assurance that comes with using these stamps, knowing that you're always prepared for any event, big or small, with a book of 20 Forever stamps at your disposal. No more last-minute trips to the post office. Simply peel, stick, and send. Your cherished moments beautifully delivered. The Forever Stamps SC hash 5845 5848 are not just postage. They are pieces of art, tokens of celebration, and symbols of enduring value. Each stamp tells a story, enhancing the significance of your correspondence. Embrace the elegance, practicality, and timeless value of the 20 Forever Stamps SC hash 5845 5848. Make every letter, invitation, and card a memorable keepsake with these exquisite stamps. It's not just about mailing, it's about celebrating life's special moments with style and grace. And here we are at the pinnacle of our countdown, revealing the #1 best-selling stamp and ink pad on Amazon. Introducing the personalized name stamp for kids' clothing, a true game-changer in the world of labeling and organization. Imagine a stamp that is not only functional, but also exquisitely designed. With 13 styles and 36 charming icons to choose from, this name stamp transforms ordinary labeling into a delightful and personalized experience. It's not just a tool, It's a creative expression of individuality for your child's clothing. The convenience of this name stamp is unparalleled. Think about it. Easy marking that saves you considerable time. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, this stamp becomes an indispensable ally, ensuring that your child's clothing and belongings are clearly and attractively labeled. No more lost items, no more mix-ups. Durability is key, and this stamp delivers in spades. Boasting over 2,500 marking times, it promises long-lasting use. Just remember to stamp the bottom case promptly after each use to maintain its integrity. This stamp is designed to withstand the test of time, providing reliable performance through countless labeling tasks. Now let's talk about resilience. These stamps are washable, enduring multiple machine washing and drying cycles without fading. Simply allow the ink to dry completely after stamping, and you're good to go. Your labels remain legible and vibrant, wash after wash. However, a note of caution: this stamp is not suitable for fabrics with large gaps. Silk yarn, sweaters, nylon, or other smooth and dark-colored materials. The ink might penetrate too deeply, so it's best to avoid these fabrics. But fear not. For those non-applicable fabrics, the included ironing strips come to the rescue. Simply use the printing tape for a secure and lasting label. The personalized name stamp for kids' clothing is more than a labeling tool. It's a blend of creativity, convenience, and durability. It's the ultimate solution for parents looking to add a personal touch to their child's belongings while ensuring everything stays in place. Embrace the ease, style, and reliability of the personalized name stamp. Make labeling a joyous and efficient part of your routine. It's not just the best stamp on Amazon, it's a must-have for every organized household. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling stamps and ink pads on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.